Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hard reset your Xiaomi Redmi 9 or 9A. So first of all, this procedure can be helpful if you have a password which you don't know the PIN code or password, or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we have to turn off our device. After that, you have to press volume up and power button together. Yep, keep holding both the key. When the phone will wake up, release power button, still holding volume up. So let's start the procedure. So press and hold volume up and power button. Keep holding both the key. Keep holding. Keep holding until you hear the vibration. Yep. It was first vibration, second vibration, release power button, still holding volume up. Okay, release all the key. Now navigate volume down to wipe data, acted by power. Next, power by wipe all data, and go down and confirm power. Now the phone is resetting, delete all the data from the phone and it start without the password. So acted by power, now reboot with power, reboot to system, and it will be done. The phone will start with any password, and if you have some issues with your software, it will be repaired itself, of course. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.